No, it's not frozen solid yet. January 16th. Tuesday. Walking in a Winter Wonderland 2024.
Mom, isn't it a winter wonderland?
It's a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. Walking through the woods on a snowy evening. It's afternoon, but I guess you could call it evening because the sun is going to go down in an hour. Around 4 or something. Let's see. Are these like all the prickers and thorns? These are the prickers and thorns. Let's go around the prickers and thorns. What I would do, probably, I would like to cut some of those prickers and thorns so I could just go that way. Alright, we'll go this way. There's prickers and thorns that way. Alright, there we go. I recognize where to go from that log. So we're walking to Eleanor Roosevelt's cottage. And yeah. A lot of trees have fallen here. We can do a spelling game too as we walk through the woods.
What kind of spelling game?
We can spell the things that we see, like tree. T-R-E-E, tree. S-N-O-W, snow. And sled, S-L-E-D, sled. And this is a pine or coniferous tree. I'm not sure exactly which one it is, but it's a pine of some kind. And it's pine is P-I-N-E. We could grow some more pine trees here. When we collect pine cones, we could plant some pine trees along the way. Here's another big stump. Oh. A big log. Is that clean? There's something dirt there. Is that your hair? Oh, yeah.
That's my hair.
Oh. Don't eat all the snow because you're going to be cold if you do that. Walking through the woods. We're walking through the woods. On a snowy evening. Okay, there's more coniferous trees over here in this spot. That's nice. It's always nice to have those, especially in the winter when all the trees are so bare. See all the pine trees here? The coniferous trees? I have to Google them to see what exactly their exact name is for these.
Mom, this way. Follow me.
So many different ones. So we're already almost there. This is a good timer to see how long it takes us to get to her house from our house. Walking in a winter wonderland. There's the water, a stream. Oh, there's a lot of juncos. Let me try to zoom in. Can't see them that well with this camera. But there was a large flock. Look at all the juncos. You see them in the tree over there, the bush?
No, I don't see them.
They just flew over there, but there's one still left on the bush. They're cute, the juncos. I gotta draw some juncos. That's what I gotta do. Yeah. In a woody woodland. A snowy woodland.
Can you hold this for me?
I told you don't take it because I don't want to hold it.
Okay, I'll hold it. You hold that one.
This one's easier to hold. 10 minutes. It took us 10 minutes to get here.
We're here.
Yeah. 10 minutes from the back of our house. And we did stop along the way to look around. So, like, if we didn't stop, it would take less time.